the wild, the pregnancy and birth of most animals take a long and hard time. And herbivores, when pregnant, they have both feed and run away from enemies. And not to mention, with its large body, it has to face many dangerous problems. As the wildebeest give birth hard and die. On the vast steppe where crowded wildebeest herds. In the dry season, thousands of wildebeest herds migrate to the water source. During the rainy season, larger herds tend to disperse and form in smaller herds during the rest of the year. During the breeding season, the males will begin to compete for power in the order to mate with the females. After a gestation period of about 8 months, the female wildebeest will search for a safe place to give birth. As the wildebeest trying to give birth, it seems it is having to lie here for a long time. As its lower body has a wildebeest baby stuck, and it can't get out of its mother's womb. It is long dead, and lots of flies and bugs have swarmed. As the mother wildebeest was almost weakened, just lying around, waiting for death to come. As difficulty giving birth can be caused by the size of the young or the health of the offspring. And besides, the wildebeest can also die during the reproduction due to various causes, such as being attacked by brutal predators. When the wildebeest had entered the breeding season, their health was very weak, and the ability to fight back was absent. As the body, heavy with being chased, the wildebeest did not escape the hand of the excellent predator, the lion. As the lions had quickly rushed, the wildebeest had weakly resisted, but still could not escape the encirclement. Very quickly, it was defeated. As the scene was horrifying, when a lion came out and ate the unborn wildebeest baby. Wildebeest spawning usually take place from January to March and at the start of the rainy season. As at this time, they are fully fed and in the most energetic state. As the wildebeest give birth in their huge herds, instead of finding an isolated place. After birth, the wildebeest cub was able to stand up, as they will follow their mother to avoid preying on hunters. As a family of leopards had appeared, they were looking for suitable prey to teach their young how to hunt. Its target is the wildebeest baby. With a fast speed, accuracy and precision, the leopard had caught the wildebeest baby. As nearby, the hyenas are waiting for the right moment to strike. As they go around the wildebeest herd, to wait for the right moment to separate the young from the herd. But no, the wildebeest baby had avoided the hyena's attack. As only just learning how to walk, but the wildebeest baby has made a spectacular escape from the pursuit of the hyenas. As not all wildebeest births result in death, but in many cases, the females can safely give birth to their young and continue to participate in life in the wild. As each litter of wildebeest mothers can only give birth to one wildebeest baby, each year, the pregnant wildebeest in the whole herd usually give birth at the same time. At this time, the large numbers of wildebeest were also born within a few days of each other. When it's time to give birth, the female will give birth to a fully developed young within about 20 minutes. As the young will be licked and fed by the mother during the first few days that the wildebeest mother will spend most of her time caring for, protecting their young, keeping them safe from predators. And no matter how cruel the wild world is, the maternal love that is still sacred and touches the people's hearts. Just looking at images of a mother animal giving birth and cuddling and protecting them is enough to know just how important the young ones are. As it is said that the natural environment always forces the animals here to obey its laws. And today's video ends here. How do you feel about this video? Please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe with your friends and family to discover more interesting and new things in the animal world. Thank you for supporting us. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.
Hello everyone who is watching the Wildlife channel. We will help you to admire the most realistic images of the animal world, with hunting or the fiery battles that are shown through special footage. You will be able to relax while watching the wildlife after a hard working hours. It's not only that, but you can also learn more about the behavior and the survival ability of the rare animals that only a few people know about, or that all creatures from the land to the ocean to the birds in the sky. As an addition, we also share the latest videos for you to explore the natural world, useful materials and knowledge that are also accurately presented by us through sharp images and vivid sound. If you want to learn about the animal world or you love them, then our channel is the best choice. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss any videos. Thank you all for coming to our channel, and we wish you a pleasant experience.